easy. This is easy. I can just trade that gap. And it might have worked 1-2 weekends, and then the third weekend, I remember that gap didn't get filled. It was on GBP, NZD, New Zealand dollar. And that gap didn't get filled for 18 months.
There you go.
And I was obviously wiped out within 2 days. So that was a valuable lesson. Yeah.
This is, again, going back to is everybody's looking for a correction, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But, if something gaps up or gaps down, it's doing it for a reason. Mm-hmm. And if you're looking to fill the gap, like I say, 18 months later, fill the gap. Okay, whoop-de-doo. But if it's going to, in my experience, if something gaps, it's going to continue in the direction of the gap rather than fill the gap.
Yeah, it makes sense. I'm pretty sure in terms of the market movements, we have like fundamentals, for example, and sometimes we have the fundamental releases, but the markets don't initially react, right? Even though don't get me wrong, I think a lot of retail traders unfortunately don't learn fundamentals. I'm being one of them. I've really picked it up, started more recently because of thanks to the podcast, really, because of conversations I've had with people like yourself or just purely fundamental traders. It really opened my eyes to why aren't you learning fundamentals? Even if you trade technicals, right? Even if you do trade technicals, why wouldn't you learn fundamentals?
I don't think you can trade without knowing the fundamentals.